Hello my loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 amazing beauty tips that I am sure you needed in your life. Also, I know that I look a little extra today, a little desi, a little chaya if you will. That's because I was feeling extra and I filmed an Instagram tutorial of this look, and so I thought, why not? So just in case if you'd like to see all of this magic, guys, head on over to my Instagram, okay? Also, if this is the very first time you're seeing my face, I'm always not as dressed up, but I enjoy it when I am. I also enjoy it when I'm not. Why am I rambling on and on? I don't know. Hi, I am Jovita. Welcome to my channel. I would love it if you took a second to click that red subscribe button just underneath this video. Make that button gray. If it is already gray, leave it alone. Now let's get started, guys. Beauty tip number 1, apply skincare products to damp skin. This is such a simple tip, but life-changing, you guys. Ever since I started doing this, I just feel like my skin is just absorbing all of the nutrients from the skincare products. You can use your spray toners, your rose water. You can just use plain water if you want. Put it in a spray bottle and spritz your face. Make it slightly damp, and then you apply your serum. Now, if you have really dry skin, you can apply this in between each step. Like spritz your face, apply a serum, spritz your face, apply a moisturizer. Now, to explain how this works, think about a piece of sponge. Put a few droplets of water on it and you can see those droplets just like sitting on the surface. Now, what if the sponge is wet already? If you put those water droplets on the sponge, now it's gonna spread. Like if you put ink on a piece of tissue paper, you know, when the tissue paper is dry, the ink droplets are gonna be nice and circular and defined. But if the tissue paper is wet, that ink is gonna spread in. That's the same thing with the skin, guys. When your skin is already damp, the skincare product is just gonna absorb into your face, especially when you use facial oil. If you damp your face first and then apply the facial oil, it's not gonna sit on the surface of your skin. It's gonna absorb into the skin. Just try it. Sounds silly, just try it. It's mind blowing. Tip number 2 is to get rid of blackheads. Now, I have made so many videos on blackheads and whiteheads, tiny bumps on your face, large pores, but I keep getting questions about what to do when I have blackheads. Guys, the solution is very simple. All you have to do is introduce a serum into your skincare that has BHA in its ingredient list. I will leave some of my favorites and recommendations down in the description bar below. You can use this in your morning skincare routine or your evening skincare routine, and then follow up with moisturizer. Within a week's time, guys, all of those blackheads and whiteheads, tiny bumps, are gonna be gone. Tip number 3 is beauty from within. Now, of course, this is not the first time you're hearing this. Your mothers have told you this. Your grandmothers have told you this. We've grown up hearing about eating food that is nutritious to your skin, to your body, to your hair, to your overall health. Now, in addition, what I'm going to recommend is to drink your collagen. Basically, not collagen, but collagen boosting ingredients. Now, why collagen? What is collagen? Collagen is basically a kind of protein that acts like a glue to hold our cells together. So, collagen is the reason why we have a bouncy texture, why our skin stays hydrated, and the elasticity of our skin. It is all because of collagen. And as we age, the amount of collagen in our skin naturally decreases, which is why our skin tends to droop. We start having wrinkles. That elasticity, the bounciness, you know, the baby's bottom kind of bounciness that we lose as we age. That's because we lose collagen. Once we add in foods that will build the collagen in our body, we're gonna get that suppleness back. Obviously, we cannot defy time and aging, but this is going to help retain a little bit of that moisture, a little bit of that bounciness and elasticity of your skin. There are so many collagen builders in the market, but most of them are plant-derived, mostly from pig fat, and I don't know, like basically pig stuff, okay? And I, as you may know, I'm not really looking towards that. I prefer a plant-based collagen builder, and which is why I love, guys, this one from Oziva. This is India's very first vegetarian plant-based collagen builder supplement powder. I've been taking this for, I want to say, about 1 month, and I can tell you that I see a difference in my skin, in the amount of glow it has, and it kind of just has this supple plumpness. And this one, it just tastes like a tangy little drink. This tastes really nice. It has a beautiful color as well. It's made up of some amazing ingredients, some superfoods like acai berry, sea buckthorn, sesbania agati, bamboo shoot, etc. This collagen builder contains 8 anti-aging, 10 pro-collagen superfoods, and 3 standardized whole food vitamin extract that stimulates collagen synthesis. Now, how do you consume this? So easy. You can take 2 scoops of this powder, add it into water, mix it up, and drink it in the evening or before going to bed, and drink it and go to bed. That's it. I like to incorporate this in my evening skincare routine, and I've showed this in my Instagram stories during my daily skincare routine, the whole thing that I do. You guys actually have noticed the change on my skin because on Instagram stories, I never wear makeup. You see my bare skin, and you guys really have seen the difference. And I really want to thank Oziva for partnering with me to create this video because I obviously love trying and testing new products that are amazing for beauty and recommending these kind of things to you as well. Beauty tip number 4. Now, this is a very, very basic tip, but something that we all forget. Beauty, guys, is not just for the face. I cringe when I see people just apply your beautiful serums and toners and finish it right at your jawline. You have to take it down your neck. You have to take it down your decolatage, your chest, and you know what? The back of your neck and even your hands. Your neck and your hands actually age faster than your face naturally. So that is why we need to be concentrating even more than your face. And since we wash our hands so much, especially with the coronavirus and everything, your hands tend to get dried. That can cause a lot of premature wrinkles as well. So make sure you moisturize your hands every time you wash your hands. And if you drive a lot, if you go out a lot, your hands get tanned so easily. I mean, look at my hands, guys. The color difference between just my palm and my chest. The hand is always out there in the sun. Not that I have a problem with tanning at all, but it looks crazy when you do this. And then you are susceptible to getting comments like, oh, why is she applying foundation that's lighter than her face? Look at her hands, so dark. It's just tan. It's just tan, okay? But my point is, take care of your hands as well. Take care of your chest and your neck as well. So yeah, skincare all over until here. And for my final tip for today, guys, bedtime is where all the beauty happens. So during the night is when our skin relaxes and regenerates. So during the night, it is so important to remove all the traces of makeup. I have spoken about double cleansing in many of my videos. And let me explain it once again. Double cleansing means cleansing your skin 2 times, especially if you wear a lot of makeup or even sunscreen, because sunscreen needn't really break down with just face wash and water, and since you can't really see it, you might not know that you still have trace particles of sunscreen on your face. And if you don't wash that away, 1, you're causing premature wrinkle, 2, you're exposing your skin to pimples and breakout and acne and all of that painful zit, and 3, you're gonna clog your pores. You're gonna get those tiny little annoying pesky bumps. Your pores are gonna appear larger. So it is important to double cleanse. So step 1 should be to take away your makeup. Use a cleansing balm or a cleansing oil or one of those really nice micellar waters. When you use a micellar water, guys, make sure to use a reusable cotton round. It's so much more better for our environment. Do not use a cleansing wipe. I've spoken about this in many of my older videos. Step 2 of your double cleanse should be to use your regular face wash and water. Really lather it up, get in all the nooks and cranny of your face, your neck, your chest, everything, and splash it off with water, pat dry with your towel. This is a double cleanse. And now you really get into your skincare regime, guys. Whatever treatment that you want, your retinols, your AHAs, your acids, your hyperpigmentation treatments, whatever you want to do, this is when you layer it on. You will wake up in the morning with the softest, plumpest, shiniest skin of your life. It's about having mindful, minimal steps to give you really that gorgeous skin. So just try these 5 very simple beauty tips for 1 month. Give your skin time, to regenerate, to repair, to react to your new lifestyle, and come back to this video in a month and let me know how it went. By the way, I will leave all the links of this guy down in the description box below. And that's it, guys. Let me know what are some of the tips that you want to share with me and the rest of the Jovian family. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. I shall see you in my next one. I love you.